I recently tried installing EyeZy on an Android device, expecting a simple setup. Instead, the process was frustrating and complicated, making it clear that EyeZy wasn't the right choice for monitoring. Right away, I found that EyeZy requires physical access to the target device and multiple manual steps, including disabling security features. If you're not tech-savvy or don't have regular access to the phone, this can be a major hassle. I wanted something easier to install with real-time monitoring, so I switched to Amobix and it made all the difference. If you want to follow along, click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. There will be exclusive discounts as well, but more on that later. The biggest issue with EyeZy was its complex setup. Even after installation, it lacked essential features like comprehensive social media tracking and real-time updates. For example, while EyeZy lets you track texts and calls, its social media monitoring is limited. Apps like Snapchat, Instagram, and WhatsApp either weren't fully supported or had delayed updates, making it unreliable. Real-time tracking was another problem. Updates were slow, meaning I wasn't getting the immediate visibility I needed. With monitoring, every second counts. That's when I switched to Amobix and the difference was instant. Here's why Amobix is better. Real-time tracking, get instant updates on texts, calls, and location. No delays. Full social media access. Track activity on Snapchat, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and more. Stealth mode runs invisibly in the background, unlike EyeZy, which can be easily detected. Fast installation, simple setup with fewer steps than EyeZy. 24/7's customer support help is always available when you need it. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more valuable tips and guides. After switching to Amobix, I immediately saw how much better it was. The installation was faster, monitoring was real-time, and I could track everything I needed. EyeZy just couldn't compete. In conclusion, if you need a simple, reliable monitoring solution, Amobix is the clear winner. Don't waste time with EyeZy when you can have a seamless experience with Amobix. Use the link in the description to try Amobix and unlock exclusive discounts and